Thank you for a wonderful and very rich talk. So vitamin K is very important. Can you give us a brief summary of what it is, that compound?
Well, vitamin K, it's a natural compound that you can obtain either from plants or from microorganisms, or you can have a synthetic form that is used as a supplement in food or in diets for animals. Its paper is crucial because it is involved in the coagulation of the blood, so it's a crucial factor for the formation of the coagulation factors, but also it's crucial for the formation of proteins that are vitamin K dependent and that have an influence both in the formation of the skeletal tissues and also because vitamin K plays a transcriptional role and controls the regulation of expression of some genes that are important for skeletal formation.
And that's how you came across the relevance, is through the interest of your group into skeleton.
Yes, our group, we work in skeleton for many years, and we were one of the first groups to clone vitamin K dependent proteins. So this was a growing interest since we started to make treatments in fish to understand the influence of the nutritional supplements in vitamin K on the function of these vitamin K dependent proteins. And as we were making the treatments, we understood that it was quite important, not only for the function of these proteins, but also for a correct formation of the skeleton, and that it could bring benefits in the industry of aquaculture, since it can decrease the number of deformities that affect the fish, and in that way improve the profits for the aquaculture industry.
So that was important to see in your talk, is the application and the very strong links with the industry during the development of this project.
Yes, it was a very strong link, and it was a surprise for us, a very pleasant surprise, that what we have done in the laboratory, what we proved as a concept, could be directly applied to the production, and that some companies were quite interested in what we do, and that they have already applied in their production protocols the protocols that we developed in the laboratory.
And how does that work, that connection with the industry? Is it through work that you do and they know? Do they call you? Can you explain a little bit that process?
It's a little bit a mix. So we already transposed this into two companies. One of the companies, they came and saw presentations that we made in the Congress we organized, the fish skeletal biology, and they were interested in the results that we had, and in that way they approached us, they tried to have a collaboration with us in order to implement that, and that we had a small industrial contract with them to make the transposition and to pass them the conditions that they can implement in their production, adapting for the specific conditions of the company, so they can implement it in the production protocols. The other company, we were already collaborating, working with Senegalese Sol, and they came across our work with vitamin K and they got interested. So we made another industrial contract with them so we could apply to their specific conditions, because both companies have slightly different production protocols, and they could implement this protocol in their production cycle, and in both cases we had very good results.
And what about the future? I mean, are you going to continue applying biology and fundamental biology and also applied biology as a main focus of your work?
Yes, it's always our goal to improve knowledge, not only at the basic level, but try to have applications that can be transposed into the industry, into the society. So we are going to keep on pursuing both sides of the science, because I think we have to produce not only knowledge that makes things go forward, but to find ways that this knowledge is applicable and brings benefits to society.
Again, thank you very much for a great talk and for the great work. Congratulations.
Thank you.